Under this BMW logo you can find a tiny space for some tools. Very classy front headlight. What fascinates a lot is this huge exhaust. Let me welcome you to today's episode. ...650cc bike, 6 positions. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This time it's time for another vintage beauty, and this time it's all about BMW R23. So this is from 1939, and it is just a wonderful machine, I have to say. If you want to know more about it, and if you want to hear the sound, please stay with me. BMW R23 250cc 4-stroke single cylinder engine. It has 9 horsepower and half, and it is a very well made BMW, even before the Second World War. Some details are very nice on this one, and I have to mention the classic forks here in the front. This is quite unbelievable, guys. It has the adjustment for the preload, and it's from 1939. 19-inch wheels, both also at the rear, drum brakes, rear and front, and it is a very classy motorcycle. It has a speedo till 120, but as Franz just told me, the real top speed it's 90 kilometers per hour. So a lot of chrome and some details like the adjustment for the hardness of the handlebar, and very nice seat with this leather part that it's touching the tank, the fuel tank. A wonderful BMW logo, and it is a 4-speed engine with the shaft drive there. This is a shaft drive, so before the Second World War, and I think a very sophisticated engine. Apart from the front classic forks, the rear suspension, it's a hard one, so with no adjustments, nothing. Here it's the rack but I believe that the second seat can be fitted here. Under this BMW logo you can find a tiny space for some tools. Very classy front headlight and tiny but still recognizable light at the rear. What fascinates a lot is this huge exhaust, chromed kickstart, chromed tap of the fuel tank, chromed handlebar and chromed speedo. The clutch, it's very light. Here it's the possibility to change gears with the hand. So this one it's in complete stock state, so as from the factory. Pushnik Franz as a restorer. This was all, guys. This was a wonderful BMW R23 from 39. I hope that you enjoyed, and please do me a favor and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and till the next one.